So let's get started by choosing the fill color from top. Right now it's set to white. I'll just set it to yellowish color, and I'll change the stroke to none, and then select your rectangle tool. The shortcut key is M on the keyboard. Click on this and click and drag the rectangle like so, and then click on your selection tool, and then hold down Alt on the keyboard and click and drag this object and make a duplicate of it. And then while holding down this middle square, white square, just click and drag all the way to the left side till you have about this size of shape. And then you need to darken this color. You can open your colors palette. I have already opened up mine. If you don't have your colors panel open up, go up to Windows menu on top, click on window and click on color, and then from there you can just click on this burger menu and click on this HSV, and this just use the slider to make it a bit darker shade, and right click on this and arrange and send to back. Then next thing what I want you to do is we need to add anchor points on this. Go up to object menu on top and click on path and click on add anchor points. Then if you zoom in, you can just see it has added the anchor point in the middle here. I have just selected my direct selection tool and click on this middle anchor point, and while holding down shift on the keyboard you can just move the arrow to the left side to make it a bit indented inwards. Once that is done, you can just zoom out, and while holding down Alt, hold down Alt on the keyboard, click on this shape and click and drag all the way to the left side, and then right click on this, go to transform and click on reflect and set it to preview so you can just see what we just did, and just click OK. Now we need to add a shadow effect over here. To do that, you need to grab your pen tool here. I'll just zoom in. Grab your pen tool and click here and here and here, and then close the shape. Once that is done, again you can just come up to the color menu on the side and drag the slider towards more darker shade like so. Then you can just zoom out and you can make a duplicate of it again by holding down Alt on the keyboard, click and drag all the way to the right side, and then right click on this, go to transform and click on reflect and just hit OK, and you can just align it like so. And now once that is done, you can just click and drag and select all these objects, and you can just click on Command G to group these. And then we need to make an arc effect. Go to effect menu on top, go to warp and click on arc. So you can just set it to around 24%, and I'll just hit OK. Now suppose we need to add text on this, so we need to create a path tool first. So you can click on your pen tool and click on this side and all the way click on the right side. But once you click on the right side, don't click and release the mouse. You have to just click and hold it towards the right side, so it will make an arc shape like the one you see below. Then just click escape on the keyboard and then grab your type tool, click and drag on the T tool, and you will be able to see the type on the path tool. Click on this and click on this line, so it will start typing text on it. You can just write any text you want here. I'll just type happy birthday, and you can increase the fonts from the upper character menu here. so I'll keep it around 58 and I'll just make it bold. I've kept the size, and then you can just bring it down on this ribbon and place it as you like. And you can also change the color of this text, and I'll just keep it to white. So just click out anywhere on the canvas and it will show you how the ribbon we have just created. I hope you guys have learned something from this training, guys. I will see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.